Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can easily open your browser. So you have to just simply tap on this arrow on your remote control. Do it another time, and here we are on the menu. So to pick the browser we have to use this right arrow and scroll right. Just keep going for the right until you find www, the web browser. So to enter you have to click OK on your remote control. And now just be patient and wait, and as you can see, here we are. So you can pick your website by navigate with the arrows, just like that. Here you can tap on the address, and here you got the keyboard, so you can enter for the website. So let's go for the HardReset.Info. And then if you want to confirm, you have to go for the enter and click OK on your remote control. And just take a look what is going to happen. As you can see, after a few moments you are on our website, and you can find solution for your device just like that. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.